You can now just show ChatGPT and Codex how you work using computer history so you can talk more naturally with your agent. Once you turn on computer history in the settings of your desktop app on macOS, it takes what you're already doing on your desktop and turns it into memories and a timeline that your agent can reference the next time you ask a question or start a task. Let me show you an example. Hey, what was the last Google Doc I was looking at?
Okay, I'll check your recent activity for that doc. I'm checking the recent activity history to identify the last Google Doc. The last Google Doc you were editing was video script computer history earlier today.
Codex can leverage the computer history to know exactly which doc I was looking at. Can you make sure the doc was shared with Josh and Priya in the group DM from earlier?
On it. Checking that DM share now.
Codex knows what conversation I was looking at earlier and can contextualize the message.
All set. Josh and Priya now have viewer access to the video script, and I shared it in that group DM from earlier.
By the way, can you briefly summarize how I spent my time this morning?
Sure, I'll check this morning quickly. I'm using your local activity history to build a concise recap. This morning, you mainly drove the computer history launch video forward, drafting, refining the script, and iterating with teammates on framing and flow. You also prototyped the 3D world builder in Codex and triaged some usage limit feedback.
It knows what actions I took so I can converse more naturally without having to give all the context. Computer history doesn't rely on screen or audio captures, and instead it captures interaction events like clicking, typing, app switches, and more, so it can capture memories faster and more efficiently. It also gives you more granular control over which apps and websites computer history can't access. You can either quickly exclude websites or entire apps from the new menu bar entry, or by explicitly listing them in the settings of your desktop app. This is also where you can review everything computer history has captured. Beyond a summary, you can delete individual entries here, clear the most recent history entirely, or reveal the actual memory files. Memories continue to be on your file system so you can see exactly what has been captured and remembered by the agent. Computer history will also suggest skills and automations it can generate based on any repetitive work you do. You'll be able to check these out in the history section of the settings. Once your agent understands what you do and how you work, it changes how you can engage with it. You can ask it to create skills based on what you just did, run an automation every morning to draft a stand-up update for your team, or simply tailor its use of tools to how you work, like drafting documents in the app you always use to draft docs. Computer history makes ChatGPT and Codex more personalized for you and how you work. Give it a try and let us know what you think.